இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மற்றபடி கிளாடு விஎஸ் கோடு அவன் கடைசியாக என்னெல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் காமிக்கிறதுக்கு
கொடுத்துட்டேன். பேர் இருக்கிறாங்க யாருன்னு தெரியல.
ஐயா
நான் ஒரு ஆளு.
நான் ஒருத்தன்.
நான்
அப்போ வேக்.
நீயா? நாலு இப்போ
நான்
4 என்ன இது நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. விவேக் வந்துட்டாரா? ஐயோ ஓகே. ஓகே.
Good morning and welcome. This is a live session, no cuts, no edits. Today we're going to build a landing page from our client requirement in a live without without any extra adding features. Okay, if you are new, welcome to our channel. Subscribe and like if you are interested. And yeah, today I'm Sivasuriyan, co-founder and CEO at GainWix. With me, Tarun, our design lead, and Saifullah, our engineering lead. Okay, today we're going from a client requirement to a live product. Yeah, Tarun, can you explain what is our client requirement?
And then I can show the brand guide. So
Okay.
actually our client is Alike App Studios.
Okay.
Actually they are they are a service-based company.
Okay.
So what they're going to do an app. Okay. So
Okay.
it's basically like an Uber or a Ola.
Okay.
But here there is a unique thing is they're going to focus only on auto drivers, not on a bike or a cab.
Okay.
So this is the requirement. For that they need a landing page.
Okay.
So using our GainWix platform, we are going to do that front end, back end, and deployment GCP.
Okay.
Everything we're doing in the GainWix platform.
Okay.
And I have shared to both of you brand guidelines.
Okay.
I have mentioned everything in the in website how we are going to place the logo,
Okay.
what is the correct size for the logo,
Okay.
and the font what we are going to use in the
Okay.
website.
Okay.
It's clearly mentioned everything in that brand book.
Okay.
So you guys go through that, and if you have any questions you can ask me.
Okay.
Yes, I just opened your brand book.
Okay. You have described what we need and what we don't need, and how the icon should be, and what are the points we need in the landing page, and all those stuffs.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, you are saying the Alike app is a service-based company who will be doing any service or projects for a customer using our GainWix as a tool. Okay.
Yeah. So Saifullah, you have any doubt in that?
Yes, I'm just going through it. It's clearly mentioned, so I don't have any doubts on that.
In the bottom I have mentioned our the content for the website also.
Okay.
So go scroll down in the in the 19th slide is the Figma design system. So the page structure, variables, libraries, component, auto layout, I mentioned everything here.
Okay, so you have bought the whole requirement from the client and you have built a full-filled brand book. Okay. So how would you build in a short time this much clear brand book?
Actually, I asked the requirements from the client.
Okay.
And then I did a small summary on the content.
Okay.
And then I gave it to the Claude.
Okay.
It's a huge prompt. So if anyone asks the Claude prompt, I haven't mentioned in the
we will
caption or anything. Using the prompt, I just gave it, and then what are the things they asked, the requirements I gave it in the prompt.
Okay.
And then it gives the almost 20 to 23 sites of brand book.
Okay. So you have explained each and everything, how our logo should be, what are the contents should
even the thing is, I have mentioned token system, tokens for if you're generating an image related to our brand.
Okay.
Like if they're generating any logos or images, I have mentioned everything. What are the
what size it should
what
be.
size it should be.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Even the token system is there.
Okay.
So now we are going to focus on the Figma now.
Okay.
So, yeah, Saifullah.
Yes,
Yes,
Saifullah.
before starting, I need to ask some questions.
Yeah, yes, Saifullah.
Yes, uh, can you briefly give me a short summary of what you are expecting to build now?
Their first requirement is to build a landing page.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
For that, we have to mention the features what they're going to do in
okay,
that app.
okay,
A neat landing page.
okay,
Okay.
Even new person or seeing a website,
okay.
they should understand what the website is.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, we're going to do the website now.
Mhm.
So
So yes. So for summary, I will say we are going to build a landing page for our iCap Studio.
yeah,
Yes, and you give me the requirement,
The whole set of
the whole set of
brand.
requirement.
yeah,
It consists of the prompt pattern, the color gradients, and everything is mentioned in the document I have
yeah.
shared. So it
Okay.
is very detailed. So
Okay.
it is easy for me to command the plot to actually build this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I will just start with our GainWix
Yeah.
Okay, before
Studio app.
starting that, can you
Yes.
share your screen?
Yes, I will share my screen.
Yeah, guys, you have seen how our product requirement and the brand book has been generated using Claude from our designer. Now, Saifullah have been would be share the screen and show how we actually build it from a product requirement to a living website. Yeah.
My screen is visible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Good. Yes, this is our GainWix Studio app.
Okay.
Uh, this is where we provide our workmates.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, go with our
Mm,
experience plugin so users can understand how we actually.
yes. Experience is one of our experience plugin is one of our a feature in our game studio. So using this, we can build the it will boost our development process.
Okay.
So there is a set of process to uh, develop a product, right? So using this experience plugin, we have some sorts of hash commands and
Okay.
agents. So this agent will work for our deployments.
Okay.
So and our slash command used for our building process,
Okay.
the development process.
Okay.
So I will uh, show you how this will work in real. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So first, I will go to my terminal. Yes. This is my terminal. I will go to my directory.
Yeah. Once again, I mean, your screen has
Okay,
not
okay.
been shared.
You can start.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm currently in my directory.
Okay.
So yes. And these are the commands to install our plugin in our current working directory.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you can imagine this as an this as a folder
Okay.
which our project sits here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will just install. Before that, I need to go into the cloud session.
Okay.
I use the cloud command to go into the cloud session. This is a cloud session for us.
Okay.
Using this command, I will install our plugin.
Okay.
Here we are saying hash plugin, add the
Okay.
marketplace. This is our marketplace.
Okay. We are defining our GainWix AI experience.
Yes,
As okay. Yeah.
marketplace. It is like a
Okay.
repository for our plugins.
Okay. Okay.
It is saying successfully added our marketplace.
Okay.
Next, I will install a plugin inside that marketplace. So basically, marketplace contain several plugins. So I will
Oh,
install
okay.
one of the plugin called GainWix Workmate.
Okay.
In
Okay.
that. We'll just install it. It is asking me list of
Where to
commands
install
where to
it?
install.
Oh,
Install for
okay.
you, install for all collaborators on this repository. I
Okay.
will install this for only this repo for now.
Okay.
Yes. And it is saying install GainWix, and it is saying run plugins to apply. So I will give this command to reload our plugins. Yes, it is successfully installed. You can see reloader one plugin, 22 skills, 7 agents, and one plugin MCP server.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Now we go into our cloud code desktop.
Okay.
So why I'm using this cloud code desktop is it is more user friendly. Everything I can do in this terminal, I can do in this desktop. For installing only the plugin, we need to go to our terminal.
Okay.
And you can see here, I'm already inside our Alex apps directory.
Okay.
Okay. I think I need to restart the code.
Okay. Now you are selecting the folder and all those steps, right?
Yes. And here we currently back after I refresh our cloud desktop. The plugins all reloaded in our desktop. So you can
Okay.
see here we have bunch of our plugin commands here /gx /gx and we have plenty of
Okay.
commands here.
Can you explain the plugins? So we have a lot of plugins here.
Yes.
Yeah, that would be helpful. Yeah.
Most
Yes.
of the people don't know about that. What are the plugins? What are the use cases? Because we have a bunch of plugins here. So can you tell me what are the plugins one by one? In a
Yes.
short.
Before that, I want to explain what is a plugin is.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in cloud, we have various features like slash commands, subagents, skills, and the MCP servers.
Okay.
So all these are separate features.
Okay.
Plugin is like a bundle, which is a combination of all those things, skills, MCP servers,
Okay.
or subagents.
Okay.
So all in one package. We don't need to install one by one skills on one by one agent. So
Okay.
we install a plugin which consists of all those features in a single package, and in our directory we can just install it. After installation, we will have that all those skills and
Okay.
rest of the thing, MCP servers,
Okay.
everything. So I will start. This is a slash command. We need to give /gx. Let's see what is giving.
Okay.
You can see the explanation of our each and every command is here.
Okay.
/gx
Okay.
/gx help. So /gx is this orientation.
Okay.
/gx help and the command, if we put like this, and it will show us the definition of that command. Okay. And /gx, this will initiate our directory and set our directory into an workable startup.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it will install all the scaffolds and it will prepare for our development. So we have our gx about, which is used to generate our about.md. We will do this in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Okay, and we have our these are the workflows. First, we will give our /gx next. I will explain one by one when we are actually working on that.
Okay.
So we don't need to worry about all of these things.
So you'll be going each commands.
Each individually.
Okay.
So you will have an detailed explanation when I using that command.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Let's starting. I will giving the /gx init command.
Okay.
So as I said, this will initialize our repository for development.
Okay, so now you have the GX init will be a scaffold template, and it will generate all those recommended
Yes.
files and directories. Okay.
It will take some time.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now we have been seeing that we have given the product requirement to our engineering lead, and he has been setting up the whole thing for our project. And yeah, he has been said that the full development workflow, he has been using the Claude and all those task commands using the plugins that they have been built for their internal work. And yeah, as you can see, it says it generated and files and some of the folders inside a directory. Yeah, yes, Atla, can you explain what are those folders?
Yes, these are the scaffold it has generated for us.
Okay.
About.md. It is a
Okay.
project overview, right? Okay.
Okay.
It consists. It contains all the details about our project. What are we working? Who is it for?
Okay.
It is a brief definition of our project, working project. Okay.
Okay.
And these are the action items. What are the things it needs to do? Like it has several action items.
Okay.
So each action item is one executable. If our agent will pick one action item at one particular time, and it will start working on that.
Okay.
Next, our backlog. Is, our agent will pick one action item.
Okay.
This more declarative action item is more declarative, and the detailed definition is put on the backlog. It will pick
Okay.
one of the action item and put
Okay.
it in the backlog. It is a and it will generate a brief
Okay.
detailed definition what you need to do in that action item.
Okay.
And we have our change logs and changes. It is basically for our what are the changes our agent has made at that particular
Okay.
time. Then and we have our QA and we have our QA runner.
Okay.
So it has generated all these files.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So now you're going to give our product PRD to this cloud, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If we don't have our PRA, we can use this gx about command to fill our about.md.
Oh.
Because
Okay.
we have our PRD,
Okay.
which Sarun gave us. I will just give this PRD to this cloud.
Okay.
Our agent will generate our about.md using that.
Okay. So if I'm without a PRD also, we can using the command we can generate what
Yes.
other things we need. I mean, it will be interactive with Claude and ourselves.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay.
And I will say here is the for this project. Refer this and write the bit.md. So in here we don't need to give our gx about command.
Okay.
So it will what gx about will give us is it asks a bunch of questions who you are building for,
Okay.
who are the users, and the basic business related questions.
Okay.
So in here we have our requirement. So we don't need to give our gx about command.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you are telling the Claude write clear about.md
Yes.
using this brand book. Okay.
Yes.
For building the alike apps.
Yes.
Okay.
Using let me extract just readable text content.
Okay.
Brand book.
So
Yes,
yeah,
actually,
if we launch it as an open, I mean, if we make it as a public, then anyone can install those plugins without any sign in, or I mean, if we need any sign in, or we can just install and we can use all those plugins. Sorry, all those slash commands you have mentioned.
Yes, our user need to install our GainWix Studio app.
Okay.
After installation, it will show our working workmate plugin.
Oh, okay.
So using that command, they have access to download the plugin. So
Okay.
you can user can download those plugin into the directory, working directory. So
Okay.
and use
They can
them.
start working.
Yes.
Okay. So they should need I mean, they require two things, right? The one is that they need a cloud subscription,
Yes.
which is basic, and another one is our GainWix.
Yes.
Studio. Okay.
Just you can see I'm not going VS Code or any code editor.
Yeah, correct.
I'm just sitting here in the cloud code is cloud code only.
Yeah, correct. And even you don't have just I mean, you don't need to go to GainWix desktop itself, right?
Yes.
After adding those comments.
Yes.
Okay. So you will be working fully on this cloud desktop only.
Yes.
Okay.
That is what our GainWix today is.
Okay.
Our workmate is work along with our AI.
Okay.
You can see this is our agent we are currently working with.
Okay.
Our workmate is working alongside with our AI.
Okay. Yeah. I think it's been done with our about.md.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Designing the brand book is. On page. On page.
Yeah, I mean, can you show us that about.md, the file is generated? Maybe we can walk through with
Yes.
Tarun, so he will maybe clear with what he has been given to us.
Yes, Tarun, I will share the about.md. And yes, this is our about.md. Our agent has generated this about.md. We have our abstract background as context and design. We'll go one on one. The life cycle roles and how the product components on the landing page. Military assistant. Talk to someone, handoff. Appointments. Those stuff. Explanation of assistant simulator. Data. Yes, handoff. Receive the qualification scope.
So it have been written clear and detailed about.md, particularly for each section, right?
Yes.
For an explanation of work and visitor. I mean, sorry, the abstract. What are the background we need and the business context?
Yes.
What
Brand and
actually?
design systems, everything.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, are you satisfied, Tarun? I mean,
Actually, whatever I expected, it's there.
Okay.
Okay.
So can you scroll down a bit? Yeah, so everything is there. What I mentioned in the PDF, it's there.
Okay. And what about the design system that you have been given? Is it right, or else it has been changed or updated anything that you have mentioned, the color scheme?
It's all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I feel now you have said that it's been generated the clear about.md file. Then
Yes.
what's our next step?
Our next step would be you can see it is suggesting what is the next step here. Run GX. We have generated our GX about.
Okay.
For we now have our about.md. Okay.
Yeah.
We need to generate our action items. For that we have one command. We need to run this for generating our about.md.
Okay.
So why we are generating this?
We still now have our product requirement. Okay. As an MD file, about.md file.
Yeah.
So AI can our agent can do a lot of things, but if you give all the things at once, it will not do as much as good as we split the requirements and give to an agent one by one.
Mm.
It will do more neatly than giving all at once.
Okay.
So we need a set of action items. We take the entire PRD, we split up into an action item.
Okay.
We feed the agent, hey, take one action item at once, and you do these things.
Okay.
If it done one action item and it go for another action item.
So you're giving the AI as a instruction to do by step process,
Yes.
not an one-step process, right?
Yes, entire one-step process. Instead of giving an entire one-step process, we are splitting the task and giving AI to take one task at a time and finish one by
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just saying skip to seeding.
Okay. We can add it as a contact form, right? Okay, it asking what
Asking,
talk to someone.
someone.
Okay. Maybe for a contact form will be suitable, right, for your landing page.
Yes, I will choose this option and hit on next. Which I like X or Y or issue this later. No. And book tray.
Yeah, brand book tray. That is that is the mentioned in the brand book, right? I hope it will fetching the details from the brand book. Yeah, you can go with the brand
Yes,
book.
I will submit this.
Okay. So now it has some doubts. So it has cleared from us.
Yes, in the interactive way.
Okay.
It also gives us some options to choose.
Okay.
We can choose either one of them, or we can you can see there is some fourth option.
Yeah, correct.
We can write, no, this is the right one.
Oh, okay. So if I have a change in some idea in the last minute also, I can explain it.
Yes.
Okay.
Design editing about MD.
Now it's okay. Now it's seeding the action items. Okay.
Okay. What is seeding?
Seeding is a developer terminology. Like
Okay.
you are generating something. So there is an empty data.
Okay.
Okay.
Empty file. We need to populate that data.
Okay.
That is called a seeding.
Mm.
Your goal is to fill that
Okay.
fill that file. Okay. Seeding is a part of taking one script or taking one particular script and it will just populate those data.
Okay.
It is called a seeding.
Okay. Like populating.
Yes,
right.
populating.
Okay.
Now
Yeah,
it
guys.
is in,
Now you have been seeing that from the product requirement, we have generated an about.md file, which is for a development purpose. And from that, Saifullah has been said they have been writing each separate task. So our agents, our cloud can build it clearly without any confusion. And yeah, now it has been said that action items look right. So do you want to change anything?
yes, we will check out our action item here. Yes, these are our action items.
Oh, okay. So from that about.md, it's written a clear action items.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay.
We can see here project scaffolding and tooling.
Oh,
It is taking the
okay.
text stack here. We're going to use React White and Tailwind stack for our SPA with development server.
Okay.
Design tools like color, spacing, radius, elevation, and motion. And brand logo.
Okay. So from that, you didn't mention any React or White. It suggested. Right?
Yes, this tech stack is suggested by our agent.
Okay.
I did not mention do in this tech stack.
So do you agree with React, or else we will be you choosing any other?
No, I go with React.
Okay.
It's a popular framework, so I will go with
Okay. So yeah, it also mentioned that
data
it should
visualization, three
support
steps.
web, mobile, desktop, everything, right?
Yes, it will also support our mobile.
Okay. So it automatically adjusts for each screen.
Yes, it will
Okay.
be interactive and responsive.
Okay.
Okay, I'm clear with the action items.
Okay. So
Something
now,
like
yeah,
item
after action items, what
device.
we are going to do?
Yes, now we have our action item. We have seeded our action item,
Okay.
and I will give our cloud is asking approve or revise. I will
Oh, so we have an option to now also. I mean, we can revise here also. Oh,
yes.
okay.
If we have any changes in this suggestion for this, we can mention it. This is our agent.
Oh, okay.
So it is looking good. I don't have any changes in here.
Okay.
And yes, I will choose approve.
Okay. Yeah.
It is saying about.md is done and action item are done.
Yeah.
Then and it is saying next step. Yes, now I will give slash gx next. I will explain this command.
Okay.
So what this slash gx next will do is it will pick one action item
Okay. One
and
in the sense, anyone or else in a proper, I mean, order.
it will pick at the topmost action item,
Oh,
not
okay.
a random place. It will
Okay.
pick one action item at the top
Okay.
and it will plan and put it in the backlog in a very
Oh,
detailed manner. You can see it is very declarative, just a single line.
yeah, correct.
But in when putting in the backlog, it will define so what it is. We are going to do this app. It use this tech stack in a very detailed manner.
Okay. So you are saying that it takes a first action item and define and have a brief and elaborate what are those things. I mean, like a version and what we need to, how to install it and all those stuff.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
hold into backlog. It also shows here, right?
Yeah, correct.
Plans item
Yeah.
hashtag one
One.
in the scaffold into backlog. And we have our next command. First, we give our slash gx next.
Yeah, I'm curious about how it define the one action item. Yeah.
Yes. This thing I will run our slash gx starting with prefind.
Okay. So now it has been generating the thing you have been said. Okay. It has been elaborating that one action item. Okay.
Yes. And we have one feature in our cloud. There is modes.
Okay.
It has
Okay.
ask permission, accepted. It's plan mode, auto mode.
Okay.
So if you want to know what is cloud is doing every time, you can choose ask permission.
Okay.
It will ask permission each and every time what is doing, like reading a file, writing a file. It will ask each time for your permission
Okay.
to
Okay.
do some actions. So and we have our accept edits, and when editing something, we need to accept.
Okay.
For reading, it will don't ask us for the prompts. Now it has another question.
Okay.
Meter, what should I run set and push to develop? And it is asking for our uncommitted changes. How should it go to our slash gx next?
Oh, okay.
I will say setup and push to develop
Okay.
like this.
So I mean, setup and push to develop in the sense you have been pushing.
Pushing.
Okay, to the GitHub.
Yes.
Okay. So you have been having version before and after in GitHub also after
Yes.
each action items have been come.
Yes, we have our version on a local, and we need
Okay.
to create a PR, some review with the PR.
Okay.
So for those things, we need to push to our GitHub.
Okay.
So
So
what?
you have okay. So you have been saying the entire development workflow.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
It is.
it all been done through your cloud.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Everything will do it by our agent itself.
Oh, so you have been automated the whole thing.
Yes, whole
Oh,
development process.
okay.
and it is asking for another permission. I will give
Okay.
hello. And coming to this,
Yeah.
we have our plan mode. If you are planning something, and you can choose this mode, and
Okay.
this is our auto mode.
Okay.
Uh, you can see I'm giving so many. It asking too much of commands. Can I read this? Can I read this?
Yeah, correct.
Can I run this command? So if if we give this auto mode, it will automatically run in the background. It don't need us for
Oh,
only critical task. It will ask our permissions.
okay.
So basic things like reading, writing, running the commands in terminal, it will all
Okay.
do it by itself. So we don't need to monitor this all the time.
Oh, so you will give an auto mode and just have a coffee and have a
Yes,
dinner. Okay. So it will be completing all the
it will do
action.
the action items
Oh,
all it by itself.
yeah. Oh, that's awesome, man.
Yes, you can see edited action items
Okay.
removed online.
Okay.
You can see online is removed from here.
Oh, okay.
It is saying backlog has been edited. So that one line would be in brief in our backlog.
Oh, I
You
mean
can
the project scaffold and tooling. Oh, okay. So, I mean, it's exactly done what you have said. Taking that one action item and clearly defining all those thing, each of the version and
yes,
how to run it. Oh, brilliant, man. Okay.
decisions telling CSS white test plus React testing library
Okay.
has goals and it has steps. And one after then will giving some command.
Okay.
So yes, this is our one action item.
Okay.
You
So
see,
yeah, so the GX next has been created in a backlog from taking in one action item. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
yes, now it is saying enter project full backlog. We are just in it,
Okay.
and it is the action item it was currently doing.
Okay.
Set along the way created one missing. It is saying it is created a development trunk and committed the scaffold. Yes, tracking remaining action item 42. Commits scaffold baseline. The things it has done,
Okay.
and it is you can see it is committed all these changes, and it pushed to the GitHub,
Okay.
and it is suggesting me to give #gxgo.
Okay. So it is the next command in the workflow.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, the
Okay.
backlog is looking good. So till now we have just created our backlog, the action items, but still
Okay.
now we not started to write the code. What this will do is it takes the backlog as an prompt, and we'll
Okay.
start doing the execution flow. You can see here run gx go to execute the top
Okay.
backlog empty task
Okay.
scaffold test pr crash
Oh,
merge or
yeah, I
slash
defined
gx next
everything.
to
Okay.
yes. So yes, we'll do the coding part.
Oh, okay.
You just need to wait for the first action item to be
Okay.
finished.
Okay. So yeah, how, I mean, what is the comparison between using these slash commands and before manually creating a story and from the story each subtask and taking a subtask and understanding yourself and going to code development. Yeah, I mean, I mean, you have, it's a long process, right? And you have just automated the whole flow
Yes.
into a simple Slack instance.
Yes. We are not inventing a new workflow. It's
Okay.
already there. We
Okay.
have our PRD. So usually our project manager will write an action item for us. It is a ticket for us. So each ticket is taken at once and given to a developer. He will develop, and the tester will
Yeah.
test the thing, and I will go between the developer and the tester. And we release the first action item.
Yeah. Correct.
So the same things goes here. You can see we picked up our PRD
Okay.
and written our action items. A ticket, you can call it a ticket.
Okay.
Each ticket is uh, picked by an agent, our agent. Our agent will do that ticket,
Okay.
and it will test itself, and it will push it to our GitHub repository.
Okay.
So it is the same flow as our development process.
So you just automated with the AI.
Yes.
Okay. So it manually do all the development, right? I mean, it has mentioned some like creating a branch and all this.
Yes.
So it's all a development work.
It all the development work. Usually the developer has to do these things.
Oh, okay.
With our help of our agent, it will do what it all it by itself.
Okay. And also you have just given the auto mode. So it has been full pilot mode. It will be on its own.
It will be full autopilot.
Okay.
So we don't need to monitor.
Okay.
So yes, it will take some time. It is installing and set up the project step.
Okay.
Yes, you can see here what are the commands. It is running.
Okay.
These are the developer specific.
Oh, yeah. I can barely understand it. Yeah. And yeah, Tarun, how you are seeing these workflows, and can you understand it?
Actually, I'm not a developer, but I think our tool is quite easy to understand. But it will take time to learn.
Okay.
But it's easy to learn only, not a big deal. It's take over roughly 1 or 2 days to learn all this
Yeah.
slash commands, shortcuts,
Yes.
AI automations, everything.
Right, because he didn't have opened the VS Code editor and shown me
We
some
don't need to open
1,000 lines of
any
code. Yeah, correct.
coding tools.
He's just showing me the conversation he and the Claude has been discussing so
Yeah.
far.
Yes.
We have a ready PRD file. We are
Yeah.
given to that tool, the agent tool here.
Yeah.
And it's step by step we're doing all the steps.
Yeah.
And our developer is giving giving the commands to all this. I think it's easy to learn.
Yeah. So for so for each task, it will take some time and generate the code and all those steps.
Yes, it will take some time for writing those codes.
Okay.
Because this is the first step. We need to install our React library and set up our
Oh,
project,
okay.
and it will take some time.
Okay.
So running those commands will take some time. And you can see here it is creating files in a couple of seconds. So running commands only take some time.
Okay.
You don't need to see the code here because
Yeah.
Tarun don't understand coding part. So we don't need to show the coding things. Actually, we don't need to even see the code.
Okay.
We just need to give the instructions. That's it.
Okay. So yeah, so the one thing I need to mention is when we have a clear PRD, I mean the brand book Tarun shared, it should be a very clear.
Yes, it should be very clear.
Okay.
It is a single truth of our product,
Okay.
the project we are building.
Okay.
So it need to be very clear. Each questions each questions our agent is asking should be defined already defined in our about MD file,
Okay.
which is our PRD file in terms of our development
Oh,
folder.
okay. So that's why it didn't ask so much of doubts to us. Oh,
Yes.
okay. So if we are clear in that PRD, then it will not ask us too many questions.
Yes.
Okay.
If it has some doubts, it will ask us interactively, like we
Okay.
have seen it previously.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, I'm just wondering about that. Just asked only only 2, 3 questions.
Yes.
I'm just wondering how, I mean, Tarun has been structured the whole thing. Yeah, Tarun,
Yes.
how you have clearly defined each and everything by having a meeting with our client.
First thing, we should ask them what are the brands, what they're going to do, what services is.
Okay.
And then main part, the AI tools is the main thing here. Actually, I have worked a lot with the AI tools, even
Okay.
ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, but mostly they will ask, they will give an rough, no, not a deep file. I mean,
Okay.
not in the detailed file.
Okay.
It will give us a
Rough
rough
draft. Okay.
rough draft only.
Okay.
But only the main thing is the prompt.
Oh, okay.
We should know how to prompt with an AI. We should know the communication with
Okay.
the AI. Actually, the command prompt will be goes like on 1 or 2 pages.
Oh, okay.
That I have used two AI here. One is ChatGPT and then the Claude.
Okay.
ChatGPT is for I given the requirements of the client,
Okay.
and then I asked the Claude ChatGPT to I want to design by brand guidelines and the design guidelines for this brand,
Okay.
and explain me everything in a detailed format. This is for a plot. This is for the plot, the plot tool
Okay.
that the AI, the plot design is
Okay.
going to do all this
Okay. Mm.
HTML PDF file. So it gives me an hour around 2 to 3 pages of prompt.
Oh, okay.
So I just copy paste that into I paste in the plot.
Okay.
It took around 10 minutes to finish all these design files. First, it
Oh,
gave me a rough
okay.
only,
Okay.
and then I asked about I have a small communication with the AI and the Claude.
Okay.
It took around 20 minutes to prepare all these files.
Oh, very fast, man. Because
Because if
yeah.
I have worked with the brands, multiple brands actually, for designing a brand guidelines and the brand design structures, it will take around 1 or 2 weeks, maximum 1 or 2 weeks,
Yeah.
because we have to mention everything, what to do, what don't to do in the designs.
Okay.
We should be if we are working on the guidelines book, it will we have a team. We will discuss about everything,
Okay.
and after the discussion, it will maximum take, if we have a proper team, it will take 1 week
Okay.
with the proper guidelines.
Okay.
But now we have Claude AIs. So much tools are there. Basically, Claude is, it's Opus 4.8 is more intelligent, but we have Fable 5, but some issues we don't have.
Okay.
But I think Opus 4.8 is much faster.
Okay. So you have been you have been 10x productive, man, because you have said that it will take off 1 week to 2 weeks. You have just finished it up around 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And how about the icon? I mean, you have been how you finished because we have discussed the client before.
I mean,
Yeah.
you're asking about the logo, right?
Yeah.
What they asked is they're focusing more mainly on service and the mobile apps.
Oh, okay.
So what I have think is the first block will be in a mobile shape. You can
Okay.
see in the logo.
Yeah.
First thing is a mobile, and the surrounding thing will be an like it's covering all the mobile apps.
Okay.
Because they are doing service, not an product.
Okay.
So I asked the clients. Uh, I have a rough idea in my mind. So
Okay.
I asked them, I'm going to do this, and they said okay.
Oh.
They're okay with the design, and then we designed that. Actually, we designed with an ChatGPT.
Oh, okay.
We
So,
I didn't even touch Photoshop or Canva.
oh,
I fully did that logo with an
okay.
ChatGPT.
Yeah, in previous work for a logo itself, we will take and 1 week and getting an approval with the
Yeah,
client. Yeah, awesome, man.
And yes,
Okay.
coming to our development,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
see, it has given me some sponsors. You can
Okay.
just go through one by one. After we give our slash geo,
Yeah.
it it is saying it is created our work tree.
Okay.
So and it is created a change log. We see it in the
Okay.
okay, and it is said how writing all the project files.
So yeah, it also
Um,
says that created a favicon, right? The logo.
yes,
Okay.
the logo you will see at the top of our
Applicate. Okay. In our landing page. Okay.
is in our landing page.
Okay.
Using it will make me add a save quick start to our readme,
Okay.
scanning dependencies, start clean, lint clean, now test and build. It is testing itself,
Okay.
and it found a bug and it actually fixed itself, and now
Oh.
it is
Okay.
uh, all good. Test green 2 by 2.
So
So yes,
yeah, I have one doubt here. So
yes,
you have automated the QA part also, right? I mean,
yes.
you have also mentioned that it itself find a bug, and it also you have said that it will manually fix it and have a run. Okay. So I mean, you have mentioned it, or else how it actually doing that?
I didn't see. I didn't mention anything. I just given our slash commands, any
Okay.
slash commands.
Okay.
Our slash commands are the skills. Okay,
Okay.
in that skill we have defined, hey, do our development. Test one have one once if I have written the code.
Okay.
If anything, if any error you are encounter, so you need to do the correction part, and
Okay.
it should do again the testing part. So it will like a
Okay.
cycle.
Okay.
So after there is no error, it will move to the next step.
Okay.
Yes,
Like the actual workflow.
yes.
Development completed, and it will go through tester.
Testing thing,
Okay.
and they will see. They'll give us uh, and it is saying here fake on that SVG. This is our brand logo. We need to change that. Okay,
Okay.
and yes, you can see
Oh, it's completed,
it
right?
is completed and pushed our GitHub, and it is saying it is
Oh,
merged
okay.
branch in our development branch.
Okay.
Process, and you can see the changes it has made. Previously, there was nothing in here.
Yeah, I've just seen only 4 to 5
4 to 5
folders.
files,
Yeah.
yes.
Now
But
it's been a
now,
ton of files.
yes. Actually, this is a React code base.
Oh,
You can
okay.
see SRC here test, and yes, it has generated our app. This is currently our app.
Okay.
It still need some refining. We just finished our first action item
Okay. Can
in
you
our
show us that? Yeah.
yes, it has finished our action item, and
Okay.
in the backlog you can see previously it has a detailed definition of one action item.
Yeah.
Now because it is finished, it just removed that action item here,
Okay.
and in our changes we have our what are the things it has done in this particular time. Okay,
Okay.
it is saying that task, and here you can see our action item here,
Oh, okay.
and in explained why the decision, the tailwind, all the things we have just mentioned in our backlog, it will be recorded here. So in future you can see why it is done in this way.
Okay.
and
That
it's
okay.
showing our GitHub issues and link to our issue.
Oh, so it also add a link in this file itself. So
Yes.
in future, if we need any doubt, we can also go to the issues and we can see. Oh, okay.
Yes, it also gave me the pull request, the link
Okay.
for the pull request, and the timeline, what it has done in this timeline.
Oh, I mean, it's like a clear log of each second or each minute what it has been done. So, for future debugging or future logging, it will be very useful.
Yes.
Okay. And is there any time from start to time? How much time it takes for this? Oh,
Yes, we have our starter time and when it is entered,
okay, okay, yeah,
so we can see how much the time it has taken to write for this action item.
okay,
So first I will go and start with our next development because it will take some time,
okay,
and there is more commands I need to explain.
okay,
See, GX sync.
okay,
So right now we have doing everything manually.
okay,
Like we given our next command to take one action item and build our backlog, and we given our /go command to do the backlog thing. So it is a one by one step. It is very hard for us to giving one by one command. So what this command will do is, it is a sequential interactive next and go, which means the in the command then /next and the /go, it will all do it by itself.
okay,
Okay.
Okay, we don't need to give /next /go each and every time. We need to just give a /sync.
okay,
What it will do is it will pick one action item and put it in the backlog, and it will do the backlog and pick the next action item in the
Okay.
sequential way,
okay,
one by one, one by one, one by one.
Okay.
And we have this ping command.
okay,
This is parallel interactive next and go loop. So some action item or no need to be done in a sequential manner.
okay,
Some of the action item can be done in parallel, right?
Okay.
It will pick one or two action item based on our action item, and it will delegate the task to our IT agents, sub agents.
okay,
So those agents will do parallelly, and it will push to our GitHub, and will see the conflict in the GitHub. If it has a conflict, then we'll resolve the conflict. And once after all is done, it will merge into our development branch.
okay,
So these are the sing and ping command.
okay,
For now, I will go with our ping command for faster development.
okay. So you have been saying that it will take, I mean, in a parallel way, take an action items and do in a parallel.
Parallelly.
Okay. For each action item and each agent.
Mm. Delegate the task to each agents.
Oh, okay.
So Cloud Desktop, you can see we have many features. Like we have voice command. We just press and hold, and it will type for us. Don't need
Oh,
even to type something. We can just give an instruction in
through
voice
our,
itself.
okay, through audio. Okay.
And in here we can switch our models. Currently we are using Opus 4.8. We can use Sonnet
Okay.
or IQ. More models are here. Opus 4.7, Opus 4.6.
Enable.
And we have
Okay.
our effort here.
Oh, okay.
It will say how much the cloud should think.
Okay.
The more we give, it will take more the time.
Okay.
But the quality of the code, the quality of the thinking will be higher compared to the faster mode.
Okay.
Okay. What about the tokens? How much tokens it will burn?
Yeah, correct. That was a nice question. Yeah.
Yes, each model have its token limit.
Okay.
So for Opus 4.8, we have 1 million context window.
Okay.
So if we give, uh, if we choose our smaller model, it will take a fewer token.
Okay.
It will the higher the model will cost you higher the tokens.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have each token limits uh, for each model, and you can see here for this particular command, it has taken 192 tokens. or
Okay.
just for thinking,
Okay.
and it will keep on increasing.
Mhm.
Using reading the action item. Yes,
Okay.
this also takes some time.
Yeah. Yeah. If you, yeah. Um, Thanks for. I mean, there are many of people have been watching. If you have any doubts regarding of our design or any of our development, or generally of our any of our companies, how we doing and what is our goal of our GainWix Studio, you can ask in our comments, and we will ask. I mean, we have two of our lead design lead and our engineering lead. We will discuss with them.
You can see in here it has remove two action item in here. So this is what I was saying.
Oh, okay.
It will pick the parallel things that can be done at once. For example, these two things action item can be done in parallel. So it removed these two action items in here,
Okay.
and it will put it in the backlog in the different Git branch. I mean, we have this concept of Git work tree.
Okay.
So each feature is developed in separate branch, so it will not conflict there.
Oh, okay. So after completion, it all
It all
comes.
merge
Okay.
into the
Oh,
development branch. After that, we can see what are the things it has done. Because currently we are now in the development branch. Our agents are working in the different work teams. I mean,
okay.
different branches. Once it finish, it will merge to our development branch.
Okay.
We have a question here. Can you give me what you can deliver as an end product? I mean, does your AI studio developer web app, deliver web app, mobile app, apps, etc., or just websites?
Yeah. Thanks for the question. Yeah. Not on. Yeah. Our AI studio is focused on working alongside with AI. Not we are building an AI agent or building from raw LLMs. Not those steps. We build a layer to work along with AI. I mean, as actual, we don't. You don't need to actually use our. I mean, work along. I mean, work in our GainWix Studio app. You have. We have give you certain plugins and certain workmates, which will be in upcoming. You can download it and work along where you have to be, like Claude. If upcoming, for example, if ChatGPT also has some caliber like Claude, then we will be integrating with ChatGPT and all other AIs. And yeah, you asked for we only delivering the website alone, not only the website alone. We build mobile apps, websites, and desktop apps. And you can also check our and we have a separate product for our automation. You can also check it in App Store and Play Store. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts, you can ask us. Particularly if you have any queries in designing, or if you have any particular how much effort or how much time it has to take for a development, yeah, you can ask us. Okay. How's- yeah, yes, you have said that your AI studio helps with cloud deployment also. Yeah, I our AI studio itself as a cloud deployment flash commands and plug in our plugin, as Saiful has been explained. You will be seeing how we deploy without. I mean, how we deploy with GainWix Studio for this landing page in the later session. Currently, we are in the development. After completing the development, we will be deploying the GCP without without no need to go in depth in technical or need to have a certification of cloud. Not those steps. We just have like what it is like. We just have a upper layer of knowledge. That's it. You will be seeing that in the later session. Okay.
Now it is in the step 5 parallel implementation. Planning one agent per item. It is one isolated and work tree.
Oh, so this is the part you have been said, right?
Yes.
Like for each item, each agent. Okay. So they have the caliber to identify the action item which can be done in a parallel, and they
Yes.
have been working on a parallel. Okay.
Our main agent will see what are the things that can be done in parallel.
Okay.
So it will pick those items and it will delegate the task to each sub agents.
Oh, okay. So it shows some +6847. Is that how much lines it has been written, right? Or else?
Yes, this is the changes it has made in this session.
Okay.
So in our working directory, it has written 6847 lines of code, and it has removed one line of code.
Okay. So okay. So in this, we have been seeing around 9 minute 25 seconds. So in that short span of time, it has been generated 6,000 plus lines.
Yes.
Oh,
And you can see in our another branch, it has done 204 line of changes,
Oh.
and it removed 16 lines.
Okay.
Soon it will merge it into our development branch.
Okay. So I have a one doubt regarding this. So you have been automated the whole thing.
Yes.
How you seeing this AI, and what is the some advice to, not for developers, for general people, and particularly for business owners, how can they trust it and I mean, you have been showing us the live demo. Still,
Yes.
we have some trust issues, right? So yeah, you can clarify us.
Yes. Right now you are seeing that this agent is doing autonomously without our intervention.
Yeah,
Right.
correct.
Yes. And after this, we need to verify it by ourselves. The code it has written,
Okay.
not every code. We just need to see it is working fine. We have to test it manually. Currently, it can do a lot of things,
Okay.
but we need to follow some conditions to verify the things it has done,
Okay.
like reviewing the PR, what changes it has made, why it is made, and why the decision has been taken in this particular way.
Okay.
So there will be multiple options, right? Developer have a different opinion, and our cloud agent can have a different opinion.
Okay.
Those opinions should match our business
Okay.
context, right? The basic things is we need to give everything, uh, every business context into our agent,
Okay.
so you don't need to hallucinate.
Okay.
If we don't have given a correct decision, it will hallucinate itself and it will come up with its own idea,
Okay.
which will be break our business context.
Okay.
So one part I need to be strong is it is our business context.
Okay.
Like Tarun has given the PRD, it is a strong business context for us.
Okay.
You can say there is not much question it asks to us. If the PRD has some issues, I mean, it is not clear, it will ask the, hey, you have missed this part. So how you like to do these things? So
Okay.
it will ask us for a recommendation. So we have to read it, and we need to say, hey, you have to do these things. This is our business context.
Okay. So
So
yeah,
yes,
so far, yeah, you have been said that why and what exactly the cloud has been decided. So you have also showed us that change log. It also clearly mentioned. So you
yes,
have been so for this thing you have been created the change log, like
yes.
for
It is a proof
exactly. Okay.
why it is then for this particular backlog, what it has done, what are the decisions. So it will be our verification.
Okay.
We can after this we can just go and see why this what are the action items, and
Okay.
why it is done in this way, so we can
Okay. So
verify it.
yeah. Okay. So if anything goes wrong, then we will just figure it out the changes it does done. And okay. So we have the one decided it, or the cloud is the one decided it. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah. And now it's 7,000 lines.
yes.
Yeah.
I imagine writing some 1,000 lines on your own. It will take at least a week to write some 1,000 lines,
Yeah.
and these 7,000 lines also is tested,
Okay.
and we already have our test repository, so it has our test cases.
Okay.
So we are shipping the product with the test cases,
Okay.
so nothing breaks.
Okay. So yeah. Yeah, Tarun, I have one. I have one doubt, and I'm curious about how when these AIs have been evolving for designing and regarding all those steps. I mean, because you have been said that it's very powerful, and you have just completed 2 weeks of work in just a half an hour thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, designing is totally different. Coding is totally different.
Yeah.
But even AI is designing,
Okay.
it needs a human touch,
Okay.
because AI can't think and not think like a human. Actually,
Okay.
what we are giving, it will give the output.
Yeah.
You don't have any emotional presence or anything.
Okay.
Uh, Whatever AI comes,
Okay.
it needs a human touch.
Okay.
Without human touch, it will do whatever it thinks.
Okay.
For designing, it's taking place.
Okay.
What So many designers now moving towards AI.
Oh, okay.
In even the Photoshop and Canva, they are focusing mainly on AI.
Okay.
Also, the designers are moving, but I'm also a video editor.
Okay.
But coming to video editing, it's not that much, because video generation is different.
Okay.
So many brands are now using AI generated videos,
Yeah.
because spending more budget on taking a shoot or a production team, setting a production team, directors. Instead of doing that,
Okay.
they are hiring a agency, AI agency,
Oh,
like
okay.
like a video creation. They are just giving a prompt. They are
Okay.
just creating an image of a
Okay.
character. It's suits for the product,
Okay.
and they are doing prompting, and they're doing video generation, and they are creating an ad. There are so
Okay.
many brands now creating, but
Okay.
uh, in Premiere Pro and DaVinci, they don't have a auto mode or anything.
Okay.
Uh, Nowadays, manual editing is the best, because AI doesn't know too much about video editing.
Okay.
But there are some tools, some plugins actually doing video editing using Claude as a brain,
Oh, okay.
Opus 4.8. Yeah, I think it will take time regarding video editing or design. It will
Okay.
take time, maximum. I think it's actually evolving to within a year, within 2 years, it's evolved too much.
Okay.
It will take another 1 year to take over the
Okay.
design or video editing. Actually,
Oh,
coding the development, it's almost 90 to 95%. Now
Yeah,
everyone using
correct. Yeah, we have been seeing it.
Claude.
Yeah.
But designing, it's totally different. So it will take 1 year
Okay.
to take all this
Okay.
AI tools to control video editing,
So we need
designing
to, yeah.
everything.
So in the end, we need to grab all those things and we need to upgrade ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the thing you have been doing right now, right? Yes, okay, it has been integrating. Okay. So it has a whole lot of stuff to do and manage it right on its own.
Yes, take some time because it is doing the writing the code, testing itself, and
Yeah.
committing and pushing. It is a long process. It is saying it has shipped batch one. You can see,
Oh,
we can
okay.
see
So it's been done for a first batch thing.
yes,
Okay.
it picked up 2 action item. These are the 2 action item, and
Okay.
it is saying integration order of 4 is matched. 6 conflict are resolved on backlog. After 4
Okay.
is done. It is saying what it has shipped.
Okay.
Generally, foundation. Yes. And it is giving me option to run these command.
Okay.
So it is saying gxping again runs the typography plus core UI batch in parallel.
Okay.
Then the serial from here. Okay, will give
Okay.
in
So it
again.
will, yeah, it will take another next thing and do it in a parallel. Okay.
Yes, these 2 things:
Okay. Yeah.
typography and the core UI batch.
So the same loop, I mean, it will be continuing,
Yes,
like getting the, I mean, backlog, I mean, taking 2 or 3 or 4 action items and doing it, I mean, writing an elaborate backlog. And from that, it be going to a development. And after it's testing and after it's all those development steps. Okay.
yes, we can see the actual changes. Previously, it was only one change log.
Yeah.
Now we have two other change logs.
Okay.
And here we can see the action item it took,
Okay.
and this one is another change log. And
Okay.
we have another change log file. It is a summary of our change logs.
Okay.
Previously, there is no folder core components in here. Now we have components, so it is doing some task.
Okay.
We no need to worry about all these things.
Okay.
All we want to know is these MD files about our MD
Okay.
file action items, backlog, change log,
Yeah. Also
and our
noticing that action item is has been reducing. Right.
yes.
Shows. Okay.
Now it is doing these 2 action items.
Okay.
It said it will do these 2 action items, and yeah, will do. So I have a question for you.
Okay.
So you are the CEO here.
Yeah.
For okay, how useful that AI is to manage all the business? Because
Yeah.
so many business people are now using automations to manage all the files. So what do you think about
Yeah.
the AI automation?
Yeah. For my, yeah, day to day, you have been seeing that I have segregated my works and mostly I've been working more on content and YouTube and all those stuff. I have I have using Claude, and I have created a separate project
Okay.
and given instructions to that,
Okay.
like act as a senior marketing person,
Mm.
and all our GainWix information, like our GainWix.com and
Okay.
our what our product is going to do and how our desktop app and all those stuffs. Each and every information have been given to Claude. And yeah, each day I will just ask it, hey, I need to do a content
Okay.
in YouTube regarding an X content.
Mhm.
So it will generate me a content, and I'm more focused on not too technical.
Okay.
I'm just focusing on to understand to each and every people, so they can ask us and they can connect with us, so we can figure it out and we can rectify their pain points. Yeah. So I'll be asking Claude, and it will generate me a content.
Mm.
And after that, I will revise it, and how actually it will be understand to other persons and all those steps. So yeah, this is the one thing I use for Claude. And yeah, and another thing is in Claude, you have seen the in yeah, can you Shaifla, can you just open the sidebar for me?
Yes.
Yeah, can you go for the cover?
We have various cloud
Yeah,
features
yeah,
here.
just go.
Yes.
Yeah, you have see that we have a where is routine? Okay. Yeah, you have see the schedule, right?
Okay.
So yeah, daily I have some important things regarding my admin work.
Okay.
Daily I need to update some documents and need to send some emails regarding our action items and
Okay.
our day-to-day meetings. So I'll just integrate my Gmail with the Claude and ask it, and each every meeting I just describe, hey, these are the things I have discussed today, and I need to send an email for my team.
Mhm.
It automatically, I mean, it has been scheduled, so I just tell that, and it will generate a content and show it to me, and I will just approve it, and it will send to every person's.
Okay.
So this way, before that, I'll be sitting manually and taking a notes, and then typing it, and then checking the grammar, and then only I will be sending to all those persons. Now it's been automated, so it's very useful. For that alone, I will just take an half an hour time. I will just a 5 minutes time.
Okay.
Yeah,
And another thing is there are some security issues also. So many news we are hearing that AI is deleting the backend and the whole database about the company. So what do you think about that? And
yeah. We need to be very clear about that, because yeah, I too have seen that newses. The first thing is we should be sure that we do not share any transactions
Mhm.
or any bank accounts to that. As you can see, I just said that I will only sharing the mailing purpose
Mhm.
and drafting the documents and Excel and just routine office work. I
Mhm.
mean, not an transaction works or some budgeting work. So we need to be make sure that we don't need to share any credit card
Okay.
or any very useful like any credentials or I mean any API secret keys to that. And yeah, and also I often brainstorm with Claude to
Mhm.
get some ideas regarding our GainWix studio, which is our current focus on. So I mean, how we can what are the what are the pain points currently we are facing, and how we can get a solution for that. And yeah, we have been working, and yeah, during that brainstorm only we get an idea of building and workmates and experience and infrastructure, building all those steps. So yeah, currently you have been seeing the experience part that has been yeah, Shaifullah has been showing us the slash commands, all those steps have
Mhm.
been the experience part. Later coming weeks and in coming months, we have been launching workmates and infrastructure, which is not I mean I'm very clear about the infrastructure is not you have been building an AI agent or building a raw LLM. We are not doing that. We are working alongside with it. That's the motto.
Okay.
We build a layer where you can connect your actual product or your pain point
Okay.
to an existing LLMs.
Okay.
Like, yeah, currently we have been focusing on Claude. You know how massive and how powerful Claude is right now. And yeah, during their powerful Fable 5, they have been banned right now. So yeah, they have been very powerful. So we are currently focusing on Claude.
Okay.
And we have been researching that there are many of people's using Claude. So we are having a plan of first focus on Claude. So we build workmates and we build infrastructure. You don't need to access our GainWix studio itself. Just a single time, it's just a connection only. After connect, you just go to the cloud and you can ask it. It will connect what your platform is. I mean,
Okay.
it will. The important thing is it will be a layer between.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Group. Yeah, guys. If you have any doubt regarding any of those things, or if you are curious about any of your pain point or any of your business ideas, or if you are a business owner or if you are a startup founder who are seeking for a clarity or how to use all those stuffs, or how to use all those plugins, you can let me know in comments, and you can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Yeah, we will connect with you and clarify your doubts.
Currently doing the
Oh,
merging conflict things.
okay.
I think it is almost done the coding part.
Oh,
It
okay.
is resolving conflict. Yes, it is also resolve the conflict and it ran the cases.
Okay. Audit to test pass. Okay, so it has been writing a test case alongside and
It is
making it
also
pass.
running on the test cases every time it do some coding part.
Oh, okay.
Using both merged is writing the change log.
Yeah.
Okay. Has merged one branch. Branch is now writing our change log.
Okay. So yeah, Shafla, I have just. I mean, can you just give some advice to the current developers, or the one who have been stubborn that I will be working. I mean, I will not use any AI, and I will be manually writing all those codes. I mean, what will be your advice for those people?
Yes, there are a set of developers, different kinds of developers, and for example, a developer like you said, who never uses an AI, they
Okay.
will do it all by themselves, writing a code, writing a test cases, making it to pass.
Okay.
And another one developer like they will select the coding part and go to the website like ChatGPT or Claude
Yeah.
and paste the coding and say, hey, I have issues in this, fix those issues and give me the entire code.
Okay.
And they will copy that code and paste in the ID, so whatever. And and there is another kind of person like
use an AI tool in the IDE itself,
Okay.
like an extension.
Okay.
So there are many kind of developers. There are many kind of using the AI in the AI developers. So writing a coding manually is the that time has been changed.
Okay.
Okay, now everyone is doing AI. First, I will give before explaining. I will give the next workflow.
Yeah.
It will
Sure. Yeah.
do while we talking.
Okay.
It is suggesting me to give GX sync.
Okay.
I will just give.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yes. That time is over. Writing code manually. The time is over.
Okay.
AI can write code better than most of the developers.
Okay.
It can write code, do proper documentation
Okay.
only if you give a proper set of commands.
Oh. Okay.
There are many flaws in doing without an agentic AI framework, because people think, okay, I will just go to ChatGPT, I give the
Mm.
prompt, and I will get the code and paste in my IDE. Okay, this is an AI development. I say it is not an AI development. It
Okay.
is taking a reference from the online, and we are just inserting that reference in our code.
Okay.
Because doing this, we will face major consequences, like the code base is not clear. I mean, the working directory is not will not be proper. If a new
Okay.
developer comes in and hey, this is our working directory, and he will see there is a lot of confusions in here. It will
Okay.
not be structured in a proper way, because the
Okay.
code is generated is from an unknown context, business context agent, and
Right.
we just copying that and pasting it in our working directory.
Okay.
So it is insufficient.
Okay. So it, I mean, it lack context
It
and
lack
okay.
context, right?
Okay. Okay.
So even if you use in IDE, you need to say, hey, you have this role. You need to do this thing
Mm.
again and
Okay.
again. There is no persistent memory
Memory.
in here.
Okay. Yeah.
For every session you're opening,
Okay.
it won't have the context of what you are doing. You
Okay.
need to say again and again in each sessions.
Yeah.
It is
Okay.
also one drawback.
Okay.
But you can see in here we are just using one session, and in one session itself we are doing exactly our development flow,
Yeah.
and you can see our context is not getting too high,
Okay.
because we are following best practices like sub agents and skills.
Yeah. So you have been maintaining that memory about
Yes,
our business and I mean what exactly the project is about. Okay.
even if I start a new session, it
Okay.
will have the context of what it has done in the previous sessions.
Okay.
So it will start where the previous session left.
So okay. So it has a basic idea of what we are currently doing and the
Yes,
overall idea of what our project actually is.
horoscope. Yes,
Okay. And what we're going to do. I mean
what it will do.
interacting with you.
Yes,
Okay.
and this is the agentic AI development.
Okay.
Previously, the persons I stated, the three persons,
Yeah.
they are just taking a reference from an AI chatbot
Okay.
and pasting the code inside the directories,
Okay.
which are inefficient.
Okay. I mean it makes irregular
Yes,
to other developers or someone new came in. Okay.
yes. Think about like if you're integrating an AI agent in your workflow,
Okay.
and if your code is not looking proper structure, what it will do is, okay, this is the format they are following. I will write the code in the same format.
Okay.
So it will also think in the same manner the previous developers are written the code.
Okay.
So it also one of the flaw and in doing a manual copy pasting
Okay.
development.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. So at some point, the code may be work, but they not
They will
follow the
not,
consistency.
yes,
Okay.
they will not follow the best practices.
Okay. Yeah. That's a nice thing. Yeah. Okay. Now, see. Okay. So it has been working on that. Yeah. Yes, Tarun. What your advice to the upcoming design, the new who are going to be a AI product manager and yeah, AI product designer. You have been current state of that, and yeah, you can give some advice to some people. How
Uh,
can and also how can they grab the new features and new frameworks that has been coming upon your domain?
okay. Actually, as I said, actually AI is revolving so faster.
Ah, yeah,
So we have to be updated in. There are so many platforms, Reddit, LinkedIn.
yeah,
Uh, Actually, the AI companies posting what they are going, what the feature they are going to update,
okay,
and every day they are releasing some updates,
yeah,
even a
correct,
small updates or whatever the updates.
yeah,
If you open LinkedIn or Reddit, you'll see the first what they updated,
yeah, correct.
what their tools, their
Mm.
new features they added to the AI tools. Uh, we have to be we have to always connected with the team and the AI company
Okay,
pages, so we can adapt what are the features they added and what use case for. First, we are speaking about design, right?
yeah,
Now, Gemini has an Omni AI generation model.
yeah, okay,
Using that, so many people, even editors, creators,
okay,
they are posting some YouTube videos, reels
okay,
regarding that. From that only, I learned about
okay.
Omni video model. Actually, it's very useful. Even I used for our reels.
Oh,
Means
okay.
2 to 3 days I used that model. Uh, I didn't even touch on any captions or special effects,
Oh,
aesthetics, anything. I didn't touch.
okay,
Actually, I gave the prompt. We uploaded the video to that Omni version,
okay,
and then I gave the prompt.
okay,
And these are the things, effects, captions it should follow. I have sent some instruction to that,
okay.
and then it generated a video within like 45 seconds to 1 minute. Within that, it
Oh,
generated all the videos.
I mean a full video or
Not a full video. It's
okay,
just they have some limitations up to 10 seconds.
okay, okay.
I have split the text because the shorts reels are just 30 to 40 seconds
Yeah,
only.
correct. Yeah,
So I split it everything, and then I gave it upload all the clips to that Omni model.
okay.
Within I think 1 hour, because not only in one prompt it will not give the
Full thing.
full
Okay,
result what
okay,
we expected. I took 2 to 3 videos
okay.
to get a proper result in that videos clips. Then actual video editing is now getting easier.
Oh, okay,
If you're doing any reels or anything, Omni OS is Omni. No, the model is getting
okay,
capturing the video editing section
okay.
actually.
So if I am a newbie, then I
Uh,
can easily
yeah, you
I can
can edit.
understand. Okay,
You can edit any video in that, but it
okay,
has some limitations and credit limits.
okay, okay.
If
So
we are
okay,
premium model, we are a pro. We have a pro plan or anything. We have some token based. Have a I have a plan.
okay,
Monthly, it's 1,000 credits.
okay,
But for video generation Omni model, it's maximum 15 credits per one generation.
okay,
So we can edit almost up to 2 to 3 reels in that.
okay. The entire thing. Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
But we have to be updated in that
okay,
AI revolution because it's growing so faster.
okay.
AI models actually can do edit, but it will take time.
Okay, so if I am a newbie, I need to grab the upcoming model
Model,
for particularly for our editing
yeah.
or for designing. Okay,
There are
instead. Okay.
actually there are some YouTube channels. They are updating everything day by every day.
Oh, okay,
Uh, in that channel, they are also showing that how this model is working. They are explaining everything in detail,
okay,
so we can seeing that we can adopt and you could use that for our work.
okay. Yeah, that is very nice thing. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Saifullah. How's the work is going on?
Yes, I can see iteration 1 is complete. Iteration 2 heroes. is doing coding part right now.
Okay.
The 8,000 lines has been changed
Oh,
in this session.
so for testing it, for doing development, not alone the development, for testing itself, it takes time, and it will also, I mean, write many scenarios, and it will make sure it should not break in anything.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is why we need to wait.
Okay. Because yeah, you have mentioned that it should be support on each screen.
Yes.
Okay.
Or it also need to do in a responsive manner
Okay.
so that Tarun can see the application in mobile itself.
Okay. Yes, guys. So far, yeah, I have been, I have been curious about all those stuffs, and I have been asking questions and clarifying my doubts to Shaifullah and Tarun, and they also asked how we actually use Claude in our daily day, I mean, in our day-to-day work. And you have seen that we didn't go to any other tools or any other platform to ask anything, and we have been showing and showcasing you how exactly we are doing it. You have see that this is the product requirement and all those stuffs. Like, this is very clear. You can see this introduction and brand and logo guidelines, color system, typography system, how an icon should be, an illustration style, and a photography, and all those. So, yeah, Tarun, you have been dedicated for all these sections. I mean, like it will. I mean, like Cloud itself or the ChatGPT itself recommended all these subtitles, or else you manually, I need these, like for example, this design token, this design principle you should need to
Mhm.
follow.
Actually, I have mentioned less only, like 10 to 11 only I have mentioned here.
Oh,
But
okay.
ChatGPT, I given a prompt like think like an AI brand strategist, and then give me a prompt for
Okay.
a brand guidelines and the design guidelines.
Okay.
So I have some personalizations in my ChatGPT. So before doing the task, it will ask me some questions.
Okay.
So then only it will do, because if without the personalization, if we give that a prompt to that ChatGPT, it will burn the tokens without
Yeah,
doing the
correct.
work.
Okay.
So I have some personalization that, because of that, that gives me this prompt. Actually, it's a step-by-step structured prompt.
Okay.
So it has some 20 sections about every individual, in even in the introduction, brand, color system. I've mentioned here clear everything, how the brand story, the brand vision and purpose,
Okay.
and the core values. What are the innovations, simplicity, trust they have the brand, and the positioning.
Okay.
So this is how a big brand, or even a startup, they're going to start a brand in
Okay.
the company, they should have an brand book,
Okay.
because if giving we are logged with other work, we are
Okay.
hiring a designer.
Okay.
If we just tell them do this design, or do these things, but he will not understand. He will do whatever he thinks. So he'll
Okay.
place logo somewhere,
Correct.
different
Yeah.
size. So that will be it will take long time to do
Okay.
that. But if we have a clear vision on brand book, so we can give this brand book to the designer or whatever, whoever the
Okay.
person who creating this. He'll understand how much size the logo should be in the creative, how much
Okay.
size will be logo in the website, in
Okay.
the app. In app, how much the icon size should be in
Should
the.
be okay.
So not only app icon, they have some with high height difference, because
Okay.
we have to say place the logo in the center properly.
Correct. Yeah.
If we do whatever we think, if we do that, it will look like a mess.
Okay.
So it will create a bad impression on the logo.
Okay.
So we should clearly mention what are the size and what are the rules we are following in our brand,
Okay.
and what to do and what to not do in the text or font, whatever.
Okay. So for a single, for a single landing page, and to maintain a proper dedicated
Hmm.
thing for each, and using each icon in every place, we need to have a brand book.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay. So for a landing page, we have all those steps. So same we follow for building a product or some services.
Yeah, actually, building a product is necessary because we're using AI. Guidelines is important,
Okay.
and then the PID file about the product, what we are building, our mobile app or website or whatever. We need a clear vision what we first we are going to build,
Okay.
and then only we have to go to the AI side. AI
Okay.
side, because without knowing, we are without any plan. If we go to the AI side, it will do whatever he thinks.
Correct. Yeah.
It will do. We have something in our mind,
Yeah.
but
Correct.
AI will do given different output.
Yeah. Correct. It will give its own
It will
standard
it will
output. Yeah.
take time, and we can give the product to the client on time.
Okay.
So we should clear what we are going to do in the product, and what are the things we are going to use, what are the frameworks, what are the languages.
Okay.
We should clear what to do, A to Z. We have to be clear in
Okay.
that.
Okay.
It finished one of the action item, and it is saying 16 action item is pending,
Okay.
and it all 16 item should be done in only by parallel.
Oh. Oh.
And
So now it's been.
sorry, I mean in serial, not in
Okay.
parallel.
Oh.
And it asked me 16 action item need to be and then parallel I say okay, proceed.
Okay. So it has been doing each of the action item. I mean, our actual workflow. Yeah, I mean, what are, I mean, we have another commands, slash commands for our workflow, or else, can you explain what the,
Yes, we have other so much of slash commands. We have our gx gcp deploy. This is for our what it will do is it will analyze our project,
okay.
and it will come up with the best plan.
Oh,
So how we can deploy this in our cloud. We have
okay.
various services in our cloud.
Yeah,
So basically, people using our plugin don't have any cloud knowledge,
correct. Yeah,
and all they want is they give the app, and in back they need an URL in that their app is running.
yeah, correct.
Is that all they wanted?
Yes, correct.
So for achieving this, what our agent will do is it will go through our directory, and
Okay.
it will come up with the best plan it can.
Okay.
We have various deployment of our services, like we can deploy it on a router, or we can deploy it on a bucket, and we have other deployments like our game instances,
Yeah, correct.
EKE,
Yeah,
and our
bucket. Yeah, cloud storage. Yeah, okay.
we have plenty of
Tons
options.
of functions. Okay.
Yes. What our deployment will do is first it will ask for the credentials. I mean not credentials. I mean it will ask what is your project ID which you
Okay.
need to deploy.
Deploy. Okay.
And first it will log into your GCP console.
Okay.
First it will ask to authenticate to GCP console, and user need to authenticate to the GCP console.
Okay.
And after that it will have the access of the MCP, cloud on MCP, for example.
Okay.
Using that it can create an container. First locally it will create a container,
Okay.
until it will publish to our cloud run. So
Oh,
first
okay.
as a beginner friendly, it will go for the full free plan, which is you will get fewer machine or fewer configuration machine.
Okay.
With that you can hit a thousand. I mean it has 2 million request.
Request. Okay.
So we can hit a 2 million request at once. We have that for a month. It is
Okay.
absolutely for free,
Okay.
and we don't need to pay for that. And we have other options like bucket storage.
Okay.
It only costs us a few dollars in a month, so it is also one of the best options.
Okay.
And after we give this command, after initialization, it will create a plan. After that, hey, it will say, hey, I'm going to deploy on this. Are
Okay.
you going to approve this? This is our gate to
Okay.
which we need to confirm it, no matter what
Oh,
the
okay.
what the
For a
mode is
human
for. Yes,
clarification. Okay.
even if it is an auto mode, it will
Okay.
ask that question.
Okay.
Hey, I'm going to deploy in this. Do you approve this, or you have any recommendations?
Okay.
And once we approve it, it will
Go
go
and
to our
deploy.
deploy.
Okay.
Yes.
And yeah, you have been mentioned GCP. So currently, I mean, why not other cloud? I mean, you have been planning for. I mean, planning for later, or for now you have been focusing for the cloud. I mean, our Google alone.
Yes, we are focusing on Google because it is user friendly,
Oh,
and it
okay.
is comparatively cheaper than other platforms like AWS or Azure.
Okay.
It is more cost effective.
Okay.
So people using our plugins or all like I said, all they want is a URL, and that URL
Correct.
the app need to be run, and it also needed to be less cost than
Correct.
less cost.
Okay.
For this, we have chosen our GCP. In future, we will have our other cloud providers in our
Okay.
plugins like AWS or Azure.
Okay. So
So
you have been planning for introducing all those as a slash command.
yes,
So user can use GCP, whether a GCP or whether a AWS or whether an Azure.
yes,
Okay.
you can
Oh,
second choose whatever the cloud platform they are familiar with.
okay.
And like see, there are You don't need to be expert in the cloud for
Yeah.
deploying an
Okay.
application
Yeah, you
using
have
our
said
plugin.
that we don't need to go there. Just it
You
will
just need
ask.
to make initially it will ask you to, hey, go and authenticate the
Okay.
GCP console. Once
Okay.
you
Like
do the console,
authentication in the sense like a sign in, like a
like a
general
sign in.
sign in. Okay. Not
Yes,
need, no need to be a technical. Okay.
yes. Just need to be just need to give a sign in.
Okay.
After that, it will create a project for you, and you need to add a billing account.
Okay.
It is a simple process. It will take hardly 2 to 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
After adding the billing account, uh, our project will link to that billing account. After that, rest of the things done by our agent,
Okay.
a development agent. It will create dependencies. If it is a container app, it will make our app as a container.
Okay.
All those dependencies, our agent will handle.
Okay.
So you don't need to be worried. So
Okay.
all you know need to know is log into a GCP console and create a billing account.
Okay. So if we don't know, also we can ask Claude itself
Yes,
how to do, and we can do it ourselves.
yes.
So yeah, I'm curious about the at that point how all those stuffs have been going on. Yeah. Yeah. One thing, can you show me how many of the action items we currently having?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So it's currently working on that assistant chat UI.
Yes,
Okay.
it is currently working on this. You can see it is working on the different work tree. So the we are currently on the develop. Agents
Okay.
are
Yeah.
working on the
Okay.
different branch. So
Okay.
will not the you are not seeing the updated one.
Okay. Yeah. That would be fine. Yeah.
Yes. So it is an serialized. It will take one by one. Let's
Okay.
say one, two, three. We have 13 pending.
Okay.
Once all these finish, we can deploy using our deploy agent.
Oh.
Remember
Okay.
that our plugin have deployment agent in it.
Okay. Yeah, guys, if you have any doubt, you can ask us on the comment section. We will clarify you. Okay, yeah, now currently it's been working. The iteration has been going on. You can see for watching. Mm. So it has been iterating each of those.
Yes,
Okay.
each and every action item.
Okay. Yeah, you have been seeing that it takes one action item and create an elaborated backlog and doing the stuff in the background. So it's the process. Takes one action. It takes an one action item. It creates an backlog and do the rest of the things. And after doing the thing, it will update in the change. I mean, create a changes in the changes directory. It creates a changes file with the date and time. It defines what are the things it has done and what's the why it has done and why it has done in the sense why it has done in the way. I mean, like has been in the end to I mean to define the things we need to do. So all those things have been created, and yeah, we have been seeing it has been currently. I mean, it has been finished about. Can you show that how many tasks it has been completed?
Yes, previously it was 16. Now it is reduced to
Very
it has
soon.
finished. Yeah, I think it is going on action items.
Okay. So totally, I mean, how many things it has been finished and from total?
Yes. Right now, need to go from the start to see how many action items.
Oh, okay.
I think I don't want to do that. I think it will finish at 3 to 6 action items.
Okay. Mm. It has been saying it have completed 4 GX Sync iteration. Remaining 14. Okay. So continue or re-invoke. Yeah, it's saying that we need to do the again. We need to give it. Okay.
I will continue our GX command.
Okay. thing like mini chat UI where you can discuss with that, and you can actually ask the questions like I mean, for the requirement they have asked for the chat. I mean, like AI chatbot. They have been asking it. I mean, it's been currently building on that, working on that. Like if you ask anything, it will just show you how much days it takes and how much will be estimated cost and all those steps.
Yeah, I see something.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is how our day-to-day work have been going. We have been have a clear TRD, and yeah, Shaifullah have been has the clear idea, and he will interact with Cloud, and if it ask any doubt, he will rectify it. And yeah, you have been seeing that using the slash commands. So that's how we have been using recently, and being very productive on our development side as well as our design side. And yeah, if you have any doubts, or if you have any clarification, or if you have stuck with any of those points, like how we can automate, or if you have any pain points, you can mention the comments, or you can connect with us, or you can chat with us on WhatsApp. We can feel free to answer you, and yeah, we will be glad to communicate with you and rectify your doubts and questions you have been asking. Okay. Can we see now about how much of the things have been done? Seeing that it has been finished the thing, and it has been working on the next thing.
Yes, before previously have 14 action items, now we have 13 action items. An action item has been removed and visit is completed.
Okay.
And we have 13 more pending.
So, I mean, it has been suggested us that we need to do it in a sequential way, not in a parallel way,
Yes.
because
But
of
because these action item cannot be done in parallel,
okay,
it may have dependencies. So it is suggesting us to go for sequential.
okay. So because the previous action item is been connected with the next action item, so
Yes.
it's need to be done before start. It should. I mean, it need to start the next thing. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So it has defined a clear thing, right? Like it's also mentioned that SEO optimization, and for each social media meta, I mean, like the meta links. When we share on WhatsApp, it will show the title, description. Okay.
Yes. These things usually a developer will forget when shipping on a website.
Okay.
And see, it is it planned pre-planned before itself.
Okay.
It is worrying about the SEO on the social media. These steps in the beginning itself.
Yeah. Yeah, I have also seen many websites they have been lacking that title, that OG title, that title description, and they have been facing some. I mean, when they share in or when they add as a CTA, or when they give us a call to action in some WhatsApp or some other social medias, it will not showing the exact thing.
Yes.
So okay, so they need to do the title description, all those stuff.
And it will also giving this also improve our search engine optimization.
Okay.
It also help Google for recommend our website at
Okay.
top.
So all those steps have been added as an action item. Okay.
Yes.
Can we see the, I mean, current, I mean, so how's our website for just a few seconds? I mean, how so far it has been built?
I think I need a current how it is looking, right?
Yeah.
There is one command called BTW. Using that, we can ask question without interrupting the session.
Oh, okay.
I will give this command.
Okay. So it will not disturb the current running process.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I just said, how can I run the current application?
Yeah, you have been
Give
asking it
me
in
commands.
as a normal people, not as a dev or something. Okay. Okay. Give me commands. Okay.
You can see there is a side chat pop over.
Okay. So it will work on parallel, like it will answer the things you have asked on that slash PTW. Okay. And the actual process is been running on parallel.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yes. You can see here. Give me the command. Here you go. Okay. Okay. This is the command to
Okay.
run our application.
Okay.
We'll go to my terminal. We'll paste this command one by one. We already in this directory.
Okay.
npm install and npm run there. Shows me some vulnerabilities. We don't need to be worried about that.
Okay.
And it give me the first it is now running. And yes, this is our application right now.
Okay.
Currently, you can see there is it is still doing, but you can see our
Major things has been
yes, it
doing.
is has done. You can see our favicon, our app logo,
Okay.
using a description of
Okay. Yeah,
our
we will
project Alex Studio.
see
Yes,
once it finished completely. Okay.
yes.
I'm just curious of how it built so far. Yeah. Okay.
I can notice that the prompt pattern we have given the what are the colors it need to use. It use our exactly the pattern we have told it to.
Okay.
So it is also give us some examples like X, but for you, like Uber for autos, like Airbnb, but for Reddit,
Okay.
like Tinder, but for professional networking.
Okay. Yeah, we will see once it finished. Okay.
So now I will just close this
Okay.
creation, and once after all this complete, we will come back to here.
Okay. So if we close also, it will not be disturb the actual workflow.
Yes, you can see it is still running.
So I mean, these are the remaining things we have, right? Like adding an what we build section, a like section, and a call to action. Okay.
Yes, we still have 12 more action items to be done.
Okay. I mean, we have some other commands for QA, right? Can you explain that too?
Yes, we have command for our QA, like GX QA. What we'll do is this will find our stack. For
Okay.
example, there are many test integration test. There are many tests. For example, for some test cases, we need our browser to be opened and like a full-fledged integration test.
Okay.
For example, there is a web page and we need to check the login. So how it will work is
Okay.
it will open our screen
Okay.
and it will write our username or email and
Okay.
password.
Okay.
And if the test cases pass, we have some kind of conditions like what if I give a wrong email, what if I give a wrong password.
Okay.
These are the test cases. And using this our GX command QA, it will build all those test cases and it will run it all by itself.
Okay. So it's manually open the browser and clicks the each of the test cases you have been mentioned. Okay.
Yes.
And if it makes sure to pass it, if it fails, then it will add it as an.
Yes.
Can you scroll down? We can see what anything it's been. So it has been done. I think I hope so. It has been done. The assistant estimate engine and what we build. Okay. So yeah, yeah. Did you guys also use cowork and chat in your day-to-day life? I mean, not particularly for our work, in just a normal way.
I didn't use any co-work so far now,
Oh, okay,
but coming days I plan to use co-works.
okay. So you will be mainly focusing on the chat part alone,
Chat
creating.
button on,
Okay.
also some developments. So it's a we have a remote option, right? So using mobile, I can tell Cloud to do
Oh,
the
okay.
work. So it will develop that website or whatever.
Uh, and yeah, they also have a cloud design feature, right?
Hmm.
I mean, can you tell about those things? How you use the cloud design? Just
Uh,
a summary. Currently, what we have built, or how I mean, how it boosted your work.
Actually, Cloud Design it's a new tool, but comparing to ChatGPT, the output it's only texty or only text bases only.
Okay.
Text bases only. Like if we give a prompt to a ChatGPT, it will generate an image, it will place a text, or it will add a related image to content. But
Okay.
Claude just generating the text. Even though we give a reference image, it's not taking that. Just
Okay.
taking the design structure and the text fonts, using a
Oh.
design. But it needs some updates. But uh, I don't know whether it's that this feature or not. But
Okay.
so far I don't see that image generation models not
Oh,
that good.
okay. So you need to define those, and it will
Uh,
generate a.
Comparing ChatGPT image generation, it's just a starter.
Okay.
Design is done. They just listed 1 or 2 months before only
Okay.
cloud design. It will take time to grow.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, yes, Saifullah. You have. Can you say about how you use these things like cowork or chat or the cloud design?
I have used chat and cloud design, but I don't have hands-on experience on cover. But
Yeah,
I
because
have seen,
yeah, cowork is useful for me to do
yes,
some tasks. Yeah, good.
if you have an long-running task or a routine task, you can use cover. But I don't have an routine work daily.
Okay.
Currently, I don't have any routine work, so I didn't use cowork. But in future, I'm planning to use cowork like Tarun said.
Okay.
At least we need to know what it is doing.
Okay,
Yes.
so particularly about the cloud design, what do you think? Have you used it or
Yes, I use Cloud Design for one of our application.
okay,
I just give a detailed prompt what the design should be,
okay,
and it drafted me the sample page how it should be.
okay,
Uh, this is more user convenient. I said like, hey, change the button style. I don't like this button style. Or if I need
okay,
to change the uh, that pattern, color
okay,
pattern, I will just give the show me in this command pattern, sorry, color pattern,
okay,
and it will change for me. By using that, I generated my own cloud designer, cloud design for our application.
oh, okay,
Using that, I just download the design and I just command it, give command to our cloud code, and our cloud code uses that design as an input and to do the remaining parts,
okay,
coding part.
okay, And it has been asking, right? Something uncommitted.
I just changed manually on
Yeah.
so it is asking me what to do.
Okay.
I just insist to remove that and proceed to next.
Okay.
So yeah, it will start to do the remaining. You can see it will remove the line. I still have 10 more.
Okay.
11
So
more
it
pending.
also know what are the things you have been manually changing also.
Yes.
Okay. Do a manual change, it will identify it and ask you a doubt regarding that. I mean, why you have changed, but you just typo, so it just I mean clearly mentioned it. I will just stop and continue, and you are just done it. Okay. Yeah, it have completed the AI chat assistant simulation, and you have been seeing that also completing the why I like section and about section and each sections. Okay. Now also it's been working on that CTA part, like as we
Yes.
discussed. I mean, it has suggested as a contact. I mean, if you need a WhatsApp or if you need a
Yeah, we
phone
can
number or
add
a
our
contact
social
form.
links.
So if we try and each and single line of code also, it will run all those tests and make sure the new code don't need to break the existing thing.
Not for every single line,
I mean, so for a, but I mean each
for
task.
for each particular set of task in an action item, it will run the test cases.
Okay.
For doing merging, reading the commands, it is taking some time.
Okay. Yeah, it says some batch A complete. 5 items has been shipped in speed mode.
Yes,
So I'm really seeing the speed.
it's taking some time for rating on the running the
Okay.
rest cases.
Yeah, I mean it's very useful, right?
Yes,
Because we can't and we don't know what the current action item can break the next action item. So it's, I mean, it's useful to run each test case at the end of the action items.
yes. And
Okay.
one thing here to be noted is
Okay.
we have crossed our 10,009 of changes.
Oh, okay. So currently the code base has 10,000 lines of code.
Yes,
Oh, that's awesome.
and we have remaining 9 action
Nine,
item left,
nine,
and
nine, okay, nine things.
it
Okay.
is grouped into batches, batch B and batch C.
Okay, so it is
So
also saying that it's in the fighter in a speed mode, one checkpoint, footer, contact form.
yes,
So this is the, I mean, in a sing, it's the ultimate thing, right?
yes.
If it's easy, then it will be go in a speed mode. I mean, it's showing us like this. It's in a speed mode and doing the things fast.
Once a
Okay,
batch B will finishes, and it will inform us, "Hey, I
okay.
finished batch B. Are you going to check or going to proceed?"
Oh, so the main thing is it's planned. Okay, these 5 items will be a batch A, and these 5 items will be a batch B,
Yes,
and it can be done faster, and it's need time to. I mean, like we have in the previous, it says that a assistant chat, so which takes time. Okay, so it
yes.
separated the batch. Okay, footer sync, footer sync plus plan. Okay, so it's currently doing working on the footer part.
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Switch on. Yeah, guys, you have been seeing that we are in the final stage, currently doing the final batches, like our mobile responsive and adding the meta tags, and also can you just go through our action item? Yeah,
Have two more opening.
yeah,
First two. We have title.
yeah. As you can see that there's two action items, and one is it's currently working on. Yeah, uh, we will be we will be uh, we'll continue it on our in our next video. So we have been pausing for here, and we don't change anything or we don't cut anything. We will be showing you a live update as so far, and you've also been seeing what are the things we have been doing and what are the and how our development and how our design, how our actual daily work has been going with and being productive using AI agents. And yeah, if you have any doubts and if you have any queries or if you have any clarifications, comment us on or contact us. We will be reaching out and clarifying all your doubts. Yeah. Uh, Thank you for watching, and we will be continuing in our next video.